Jim Bauer with PuroClean Restoration Specialists in Frisco, inviting you to attend one of our upcoming CE classes. We've been conducting CEs now here in our training facility for North Texas insurance professionals, over 100 classes, over 1,000 attendees, and a great environment for learning about the 25 different topics that we have to teach. Highly interactive, hands-on, get to meet other insurance professionals. We call it a CE for eaters. We provide breakfast, we provide lunch, we have door prizes. We promise a very lively 3-hour CE session about 10 to 12 times a year. It's very easy to sign up for our CE, or if you have any questions, please give us a call.